Hello again, welcome on my YouTube channel. Now we are going to look about analyzing the market. As you know, we use trend lines. We are looking at this chart here, very beautiful one. We are having the crypto market going down. There is a 4.07 decrease on the price of this coin that you see here. Why this is happening, I don't know. I don't know until I know who did this, but most of the people will claim to know what is happening. Yeah, something is happening, but the truth is that we don't know. But the good thing is we don't need to know what is happening for us to make money in the market. We don't need to know. Not only we don't need to know, but also we can't know. Because there are thousands of people who are moving prices. Can it be hedge funds? Can it be different corporations? Can it be different transaction being done in the exchange? Everyone who submit order in exchange contributed to the market. Anyway, now we are going to chart really. I can show where are the points. Let me use this. You can have this point here. We have this point here. We have this touch point here. The market hit reversed and it came back, hit and reversed, came back, hit and reversed. Let me try to use an arrow like this. Let me use the path. This, it is like, look here. Let me change it to the yellow color like this. And then, okay, and then down. Then there is a pullback. There is a break of structure down, kind of pullback, and we're having the break of structure down. You can see here that we are in a downtrend. We are in downtrend. This is the major trend. You can see, very simple to identify. This is a very good downtrend. When I see the downtrend and I have the touch points here, then I can place a trend line. How do I do this? Very simple. Come here, take the lay like this and place a trend line. This trend line like here. This is how to draw it, this trend line. So high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we are making lower low there. So there are different ways to enter into the market. People can choose what to do, but because both of the way of entering to the market or methodology, as I always say, they are designed to put the odds of success in our favor over a series of trades, not about this trade, over a series of trades. So there are people who can, there are two ways you can do like this. You can put a limit order here like this. I mean, do a limit order so that when the market, for example, after break structure, can come, pull back, and do make another block of structure. So here you can put a limit order when you trade the trend line and you enter by limit order. You can place a limit order and put maybe 50% of your account or 100% of your account, and then place a limit order. After clicking the sell button, you have second to think. Not how much money I'm going to make, but what is the risk? What is the cost of finding out whether the trade is going to work or not? That is the risk. It is the cost of finding out whether the trade is going to work or not. You have to accept genuinely and truly accept that Whenever you put on a trade, there is a possibility for it to be a loser and a possibility for it to be a winner. If you genuinely and truly believe that whenever you put on a trade, it can turn out to be a winner or a loser, you are thinking in probabilities. And you will not put emotional significance on the outcome of this trade, where for most of the typical trader, the outcome of the trade, because of how they have analyzed, they have judged, they have done everything, they have heard informations, analyzing YouTube channels and whatever, they get into the trade only if they are sure that it is going to be the winner, and when it becomes the loser, or simply the outcome of the trade, when the typical traders are entering, has the significance of life or death to them. If your desire is to generate a consistent income, then you have to think like professional traders, because that's what they do. The pros, they produce consistent results. That's why they are pro. That's why people give them money to manage. That's why they have a job already, trade for a living. Because if they didn't produce a consistent results, they wouldn't keep their jobs. Then to do this, you have to have an edge which genuinely put the odds of success in your favor, but and also think in probabilities, to have your mental environment aligned with the way the market environment exists. So I always focus on the psychology and combining with the methodology, so that you have realistic understanding of how to deal with the market. This is about how to analyze and look at trend lines and look at the reasoning behind. And always I say, when you're entering here, for example, you are the perspective is this: how far should I rate the market if I take this risk? Like this position here, why am I putting from a more fundamental level? Why am I putting a stop here at a certain deviation from this point? When I'm putting a stop there, my perspective is this. It is how far should I give the market in terms of distance to tell me that the people who sold here, and sold here, that they're going to come and sell again. Whether this will happen successfully, I don't know. Whether it will not work, I don't know. But the odds are in my favor, and I don't need to know. But I believe without any doubt that I will make consistent money when I do everything right. So thank you guys. Stay consistent, think in probabilities, have the realistic understanding of the market. Let your mental environment always be in a perfect alignment with the way the market naturally exists. If your goal is to create the consistent results and getting income that you can rely on as a professional cryptocurrency trader. That's all. Thanks.